Hello guys, I'm Arvind and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how can we run C++ program on Visual Studio Code using Mingw. So let's get started. So here in this particular video I'm going to discuss this agenda. So first of all we are going to discuss about Mingw first. Then we are going to download this Mingw from the internet. Then we are going to install this application. After installing this Mingw, we are going to set the path. After that, we are going to execute the C++ program on Visual Studio Code. So guys, let's discuss about Mingw first. So Mingw stands for Minimalist GNU for Windows, and it is a free and open source software development environment to create Microsoft Windows applications. Mingw does not rely on third-party C runtime dynamic link libraries or simply DLL files. And Mingw includes the followings: a port of the GNU compiler collection, simply GCC, and GNU binutils for Windows. So it will contain assembler, linker, archive manager also. A set of freely distributable Windows specific header files, static import libraries which enable the use of the Windows API. Windows native build of the GNU project's GNU debugger. Now guys, let's discuss how can we install this Mingw application. So first of all, we need to download this Mingw application from the given site osdn.net. Then it is very easy to install this application. So after clicking on that particular application, this window will pop up. So here we need to click on install button. Then the next screen will pop up. So now after that we need to click on continue button. Then it is the next screen. Then here it is important step guys. Here we need to actually select three options here. So here we need to select Mingw32-base and Mingw32-GCC-G++ and MSys-base. And then we need to click on installation menu. Then here we need to click on apply, and then it will download all the necessary file from the internet. It will take a while. After installing this application, we need to set the path for Mingw. So now how can we actually set the path for Mingw? So let me open up my that particular folder. So here to set the path for Mingw, we need to right click on this PC, then click on properties. Then here we need to click on advanced system settings, then click on environment variables. Then here in system variables, because I am going to set this for this particular in the system variable specifically, so we need to click on path, then edit, and here we need to actually select new, and here we need to actually copy the paste the path of Mingw. So from where we can actually get this path? So obviously we need to open C drive where we have actually installed this Mingw application. So open this one. Now click on bin folder, and here in the address bar we need to copy this address, and then we need to paste here. And then as you can see here, I have already pasted it, so I'm not going to paste it. Then after pasting this address, we need to hit OK button, OK, and that's it. Now we need to open our Visual Studio Code. Okay, let me close this folder guys. On desktop I'm going to create one folder, C++. Let's select this folder, and here I am going to create one file. Let's say hello.cpp. Now let's include IOStream here. Then obviously we need to include namespace also, and here we need to include this std namespace. Then let's use this main function, and here I am going to use, or simply I am going to print just hello world. Now we need to save this file. After saving this file, we need to open terminal and then click on a new terminal. Let's configure it. So I'm getting this message saving hello.cpp, running C or C++ format. So let's wait to finish this operation. Okay, now guys, to run this program, first of all we need to compile it. So first of all I'm going to mention the compiler name, that is G++, and what is the name of file, hello, and we need to mention its extension. Now we need to hit enter. Now as you can see here, we have compiled this file. Now we need to execute this, and to execute this we need to use dot, and then I'm going to use this / and then a.exe and hit enter. Now guys, as you can see here, we are getting hello world. So I hope you understood this one. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.